how to drive a manual car or manual transmission. So I'm holding a manual transmission car. First, of course, you have to start, right? Okay, so when we start, we have to step on the brake and the clutch, and first gear, break down the handbrake, and then bitiw po tayo sa clutch, tapak sa accelerator, totally bitiw sa clutch, and then totally tapak po sa accelerator. Dahan-dahan lang, lalo na pag ganitong traffic, laruhin lang po natin yung clutch, accelerator. And then, pag full stop, tapak po sa brake and clutch. Brake and clutch. Okay? So, paano tayo papahinga natin yung paa natin? Kasi, di ba, traffic? O, nakita nyo po, traffic. Traffic po. So, syempre, paano yung paa? Hindi po pwede naka-steady lang yan. So, balik po natin sa